Today let us have a discussion about the latest developments in electronics field. So why we have taken this electronics field for the discussion means we can see, we can look back at the electronics era. See, we have before the electronics era we have a mechanical era. So for example, if you take your computer, desktop computer, in a very long previous years, we have used the computer system in a mechanical manner. Hope you have studied these concepts in your first year and your school days. That means for each and every computation in a computer, which requires so many rods and so many mechanical equipments to do that experiment. But after the invention of the electronics like transistor and ICs, we have developed some advanced technology in these computers like desktop computer and your laptop computers. So we could see the drastic change, advancement in the electronics. So apart from the computer systems, computer technologies, let us have a discussion about some other latest technologies which is associated with the electronics field, right? So let us have a discussion. You can share your ideas about this field.
Okay. So the first thing that strikes my mind when we say about the recent development in electronics is flexible and stretchable electronics, which is now developing. Like for example, wearable electronic patches that can be stick or placed on our body, which track our heartbeats and checks our glucose level, and even it track our footsteps walking. So which can be widely used for our senior citizens whose health has to be monitored. And smart clothing that monitor our body level or temperature and the moisture level of our body, which previously gives an indication to us before heart attack or something. Then the main challenges I have seen in this wearable and foldable or this field is the durability and the cost efficient. These two are the main challenges that has to be noted. And for example, Samsung is the first company to introduce the foldable phones, mobile phones. That is recently updated by Samsung, and many other companies are also making like that. And on my point of view, I would see that the foldable and stretchable devices are the major impact that created on the electronics field.
Very good.
So I have read in recent research that solid state batteries are used. In older days, lithium-ion batteries is used, and inside of it there will be the liquid electrode. In solid state battery, instead of this liquid electrode, solid materials like ceramic or glass is replaced. So the use of this solid materials like ceramic or glasses it helps in increase the energy density, and it also reduces the risk of leaks or risk of fires. Even though by using this lithium-ion batteries, it has a higher energy density, but it will lack in the scalability and stability. By using this solid state batteries, it will replace it also increases the scalability and stability of the electronic devices. So I guess this after a few years, the lithium-ion batteries will be replaced by the solid state batteries.
So now let us see about artificial intelligence in edge devices. So artificial intelligence is now increasingly deployed in edge devices because the data transmission occurs closer to the data source other than the centralized devices. So some of the major several benefits in this edge AI approach are enhanced privacy and reduced bandwidth. So since the edge AI enables instant data transmissions in mobile phones, cameras, and IoT sensors, since the data transmission is done instantly rather than remote sensors, the data is maintained sensitively, sir. So the privacy is protected here. And then since the data transmission is not needed to send to the cloud often, we are also seeing privacy.
I would like to share about the network developments in electronic field, 5G and the rise of 6G researchers. Nowadays, 5G is more network is more developed. 5G data gives more speed and ultra wide speed. It helps to download the things easily and fastly. It saves our human time, sir. 5G usually in automatic vehicles, 5G gives more power to the vehicles, and the rise of 6G researchers. The people started the 6G researchers also. It gives more advanced than 5G and more fast data as 5G. 5G is most advanced network nowadays. It helps all the people to do the work easier and faster. It gives network speed very fast.
Okay, so now we have discussed about the recent trends in electronics. So so many things we have discussed. These concepts, these advancements that happened only because of the design thinking approach only. Because design thinking approach mainly focusing on the customer-centric method. So that who is the target audience, who is the customer, in their perspective, if you look at the problem, then we can develop many things. So thanks for the healthy discussion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.